Biomaser Permanent Makeup Machine. Looking for a high-quality permanent makeup machine for eyebrows, eyeliner, and lips. In this video, we review and demonstrate the Biomaser Permanent Makeup Machine, a professional digital device designed for precise PMU applications and microneedling treatments. Features of the Biomaser PMU. Are you looking for a professional permanent makeup machine for eyebrows, eyeliner, lips, and microneedling treatments? In today's video, we take a deep dive into the Biomaser Permanent Makeup Machine, a top-tier digital PMU device designed for precision and effortless application. Are you looking for a professional permanent makeup machine for eyebrows, eyeliner, lips, and microneedling treatments? In today's video, we take a deep dive into the Biomaser Permanent Makeup Machine, a top-tier digital PMU device designed for precision and effortless application. What you'll learn in this video: unboxing the Biomaser PMUMachine, what's inside, step-by-step setup, how to use the machine, demo, eyebrow tattooing, eyeliner, and lip pigmentation. Features, benefits, is it worth it? Tips for beginners, professional PMU artists. Why choose the Biomaser PMUMachine? Advanced digital control, adjust speed and needle depth for precision. Its micro cartridge needles, ideal for microblading, microneedling. Versatile, perfect for eyebrows, eyeliner, lips, even scalp pigmentation. What you'll learn in this video: unboxing the Biomaser PMUMachine, what's inside, step-by-step setup, how to use the machine, demo, eyebrow tattooing, eyeliner, and lip pigmentation. Features, benefits, is it worth it? Tips for beginners, professional PMU artists. Why choose the Biomaser PMUMachine? Advanced digital control, adjust speed and needle depth for precision. Its micro cartridge needles, ideal for microblading, microneedling. Versatile, perfect for eyebrows, eyeliner, lips, even scalp pigmentation. Lightweight, ergonomic design, comfortable for long PMU sessions. Who should watch this video? PMU artists. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this review is for you. Tattoo beauty enthusiasts, curious about home permanent makeup machines. Microneedling skincare lovers, learn how this device can improve your skin texture. Are you looking for a professional-grade tattoo machine pen for eyebrows, eyeliner, and lips? The Dermografo Premium Charmant Digital Rotary Tattoo Pen Kit is a game-changer for permanent makeup, PMU, artists, and beauty professionals. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this high-quality device, from unboxing to live demonstrations. Why choose the Dermografo Premium Charmant Tattoo Machine? Advanced digital control, adjustable speed for precision accuracy, ergonomic lightweight design, comfortable grip for long PMU sessions, rotary motor for smooth performance. Looking for a professional wireless PMU machine for eyebrow microblading, eyeliner, and lip pigmentation? The professional micropigmentation eyebrow tattoo machine with battery is designed for precision, ease of use, and ultimate mobility with its cordless, rechargeable design. In this video, we'll explore everything about this wireless permanent makeup machine, from unboxing to live tattooing demonstration. What's in this video? Unboxing, first impressions, what comes with the kit, how to set up, use the machine, step-by-step guide for beginners. Pro, live PMU demo, eyebrow tattooing, eyeliner, and lip pigmentation. Battery performance, wireless functionality, how long does it last? Pros, cons, is this the best wireless PMUMachine? Why choose this wireless PMUMachine? Cordless, rechargeable, work freely without tangled wires. Ergonomic, lightweight design, perfect for long PMU sessions. Powerful yet silent motor, smooth, precise strokes with minimal vibration. Multi-use machine, ideal for eyebrows, eyeliner, lips, and scalp micropigmentation. Perfect for professionals, beginners. Easy to use with salon-quality results. Cordless freedom, no wires means no restrictions. Move freely and work efficiently. Ergonomic design, crafted for comfort during long sessions, reducing hand fatigue. Versatility, perfect not only for eyebrows but also for eyeliner, lip pigmentation, and even scalp micropigmentation. User-friendly.